Hello, everybody. This is Dr. Priya Koneru from YSRCP Party. I'm the former lead cap director. It's taking my this opportunity as my privilege to talk in front of our party, as I'm being a leader for this as a spokesperson today. I would like to talk about like what was happening in Mangalgiri with the Chandrababu Naidu and Lokesh. It was not at all representing their party or their party agenda. I don't understand at all what they are trying to expose it. They started with women empowerment. They are talking about 33% reservation, but they are misleading all the people and the public and the leaders also. Along with the leaders, they're trying to say that they are doing so much of effort, but literally they are not doing anything at all. If you take Jagan Mohan Reddy garu, the schemes that he introduced for the Ammavadi, Jagananna Nestam, Jagananna Todu, Kapu Nestam, everything was implemented so well in those 5 years. Even though there is corona, he tried to be very responsible leader to show and take care of the poor people and underprivileged people in such a way that he himself saw and spoke to everybody in that Padayatra also. But when you take Chandrababu Naidu, he is the media person. He tried to come and cheat people and take the credit chori, that credit theft. He tried to say whatever Jagan Mohan Reddy garu has done previously in those 5 years, he tried to show that now that he was taking the credit and he's saying that he'll do. And he will change all the names, whatever Jagan Mohan Reddy garu has done so far in those 5 years. Now you see, he said he'll give 3 cylinders per year. Nothing has given. 1 or 2 has given in this 2 years. He said that he will give Ammavadi, and he changed it as Talliki Vandanam, but it didn't happen. He didn't put that. He cheated. He took out all the names of the students who are credited with that also. Everything, every step, he tried to mislead the people, and whatever he was trying to impose on people, so much of taxes, diversions, misleading the people with his words. He thinks always, Chandrababu Naidu and Lokesh thinks and considers that everybody trusts them, but they are the first people that we cannot trust in Andhra Pradesh especially. And when people are trying to bring from Jagan sir, he himself brought so many companies and he developed so many people. He said this business summits and all that, but when you considered Chandrababu Naidu, nothing is happening. It's only the advertisement, what he is trying to do and expose himself that he is doing it. Except he is spending money on whatever people are earning, he is taking from the poor people and spending unnecessary with the advertisement. It's only the publicity of their party, nothing else is benefiting the public especially. And Jagan sir, he goes into the poor people mind and he understand what they need and the requirement, and he tried to bring out the schemes which is helpful for the poor. But Chandrababu Naidu is always like advertisement person. He's a liar, he's a cheater, he's a what not, you name it, in English or in Telugu, he is the first person to cheat people.